Learn English to Hindi thinking verbs. Think, I would think, you thought in.
Hindi.
Welcome to Thinking in.
Hindi.
Hey, you are about to train your brain without making it file a complaint. Today you will learn how to say think and several past or would think forms in
Hindi.
Welcome, brave language explorer. Today's magic word family begins with think.
सोचना.
Then we stretch it into useful phrases like
मैं सोचूंगा. तुमने सोचा. वो सोचेगा. वो सोचती. हम सोचते. तुम लोग सोचते थे.
and.
उन्होंने सोचा.
If your brain says, that is a lot, tell it kindly, yes, but we have snacks. The big idea. Let's start with the core verb, because every thought needs a thought headquarters. This one is simple and powerful. The verb think is
सोचना.
say it slowly.
सोचना.
One more time.
सोचना.
Imagine a calm person under a tree, touching their forehead and deciding not to text their ex yet. That is
सोचना.
example. I like to think before I speak. In Hindi, the key word is
सोचना.
example. Sometimes it is hard to think clearly. Again, the star of the sentence is
सोचना.
if I were wise. Now let's sound thoughtful, mysterious, and just a little dramatic. You want time before answering? Perfect. I would think is
मैं सोचूंगा.
Picture someone rubbing their chin like a detective who has lost the detective manual. They say
मैं सोचूंगा.
mini dialogue. A. Can you decide now? B.
मैं सोचूंगा.
Another example. I would think about it tomorrow.
मैं इसके बारे में कल सोचूंगा.
Useful contrast. The base verb is
सोचना.
but the personal phrase is
मैं सोचूंगा.
you had a thought. Time to point lovingly at another person and say, yes, that idea came from your brain. No blaming, only grammar. You thought is
तुमने सोचा.
Imagine your friend staring at a closed door and saying, I was sure it was open. In Hindi, that past idea is
तुमने सोचा.
example. You thought the door was open.
तुमने सोचा कि दरवाजा खुला था.
Example. Yesterday, you thought it would rain.
कल तुमने सोचा कि बारिश होगी.
Funny picture. You wave at a stranger because
तुमने सोचा.
it was your friend. Oops. Very human, very educational. He, she, and the great pause. Now your Hindi gets more social. Other people are thinking too, which is both useful and occasionally suspicious. He would think is.
वो सोचेगा.
She would think is.
वो सोचती.
Example. Before answering, he would think first.
जवाब देने से पहले वो पहले सोचेगा.
Example. She would think twice before speaking.
बोलने से पहले वो 2 बार सोचती.
Humor moment. He takes an hour to choose pizza toppings because.
वो सोचेगा.
She takes an hour to choose ice cream because.
वो सोचती.
This family clearly needs fewer dessert options. We thought, you all thought, they thought. Now let's make thinking a group activity. Nothing says friendship like everybody overthinking together. We would think is.
हम सोचते.
You thought, for a group is.
तुम लोग सोचते थे.
They thought is.
उन्होंने सोचा.
Example. We would think before answering.
हम जवाब देने से पहले सोचते.
Example. You all thought the road was shorter.
तुम लोग सोचते थे कि रास्ता छोटा था.
Example. They thought it would rain.
उन्होंने सोचा कि बारिश होगी.
Comedy scene. A whole team looks at a map upside down and.
उन्होंने सोचा.
They were experts. They were not experts. Mini story of maximum overthinking. Let's put all the words into one silly little story. Your job is just to listen and enjoy the chaos. One day, our quiz team entered a room with one question on the wall. Where are the snacks? First, I said.
मैं सोचूंगा.
My friend looked at a curtain and.
तुमने सोचा.
The snacks were behind it. Raj stayed serious because.
वो सोचेगा.
Before touching anything, Mira narrowed her eyes because.
वो सोचती.
Every mystery deserved respect. As a group.
हम सोचते.
The answer must be logical. The other team laughed because.
तुम लोग सोचते थे.
The curtain was important. In the end,
उन्होंने सोचा.
the snacks were hidden in a box. We all forgot the first lesson, which was simply,
सोचना.
clearly. The snacks were on the table the whole time. Quick echo drill. Now repeat after me like a confident parrot with excellent pronunciation. No feathers required. Think.
सोचना.
I would think.
मैं सोचूंगा.
You thought.
तुमने सोचा.
He would think.
वो सोचेगा.
She would think.
वो सोचती.
We would think.
हम सोचते.
You all thought.
तुम लोग सोचते थे.
They thought.
उन्होंने सोचा.
Tiny quiz, big glory. Let's see what stuck. If you get one wrong, do not panic, just call it advanced remembering practice. What is the Hindi word for think?
सोचना.
How do you say I would think?
मैं सोचूंगा.
How do you say you thought?
तुमने सोचा.
How do you say he would think?
वो सोचेगा.
How do you say she would think?
वो सोचती.
How do you say we would think?
हम सोचते.
How do you say you all thought?
तुम लोग सोचते थे.
How do you say they thought?
उन्होंने सोचा.
Goodbye, wise thinker. You did it. Your brain has officially done cardio, but the seated kind. Today you practiced.
सोचना. मैं सोचूंगा. तुमने सोचा. वो सोचेगा. वो सोचती. हम सोचते. तुम लोग सोचते थे.
And.
उन्होंने सोचा.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the phrases out loud, and come back tomorrow to think in Hindi a little faster and a little more naturally. You are doing great.